Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we're showing you how to make a McDonald's copycat recipe of the McArabia sandwich. If you stick around long enough to learn how to make this bread, I'm sure you'll be making it for many more sandwich recipes and wrap recipes as well, because this bread was delicious. Detailed ingredients are at the end of the video for you to screen capture and save, and in the description box as well. So let's begin with dumping our all-purpose flour in the mixing bowl, then our sugar, our instant yeast, our black sesame seeds, our nigella seeds, which in Arabic we call حبة and our dried milk powder, our yogurt, and our medium-sized egg. Then we are adding in our pinch of salt, our water, and our vegetable oil and giving them all a mix. We will not add in all the water at once, we will do it gradually because it'll just mix better that way, and also it's easier to add more water than to try to dry it out if it becomes too watery and too sticky. Which you will see later on in our video, we ended up with a bit of a too sticky dough and had to add in a bit of all-purpose flour to even it out. Using our stand mixer, we are going to knead the dough for about 5 minutes or even a bit more, making sure to pull down the dough every once in a while and check its consistency and stickiness. If after 5 to 8 minutes it's still too sticky, gradually add in a bit of all-purpose flour. We ended up adding in 2 tablespoons, as you can see, just to get rid of that excess stickiness. Transfer the dough into a well-oiled bowl, cover the dough, and let it rest until it doubles in size. Put a light layer of flour on the surface that you will be handling the dough on. Lightly knead the dough into a big ball before cutting it into smaller, even pieces until you have reached a palm-sized dough ball. We will then start rolling out each palm-sized dough ball until it becomes a flat circle that we will transfer to a medium hot pan, and we're going to keep it on there until you start to see many tiny bubbles forming all over. Then we'll flip it to its other side. Keep in mind that the McArabia bread has some thickness to it, so don't roll out the dough too thin. In another pan, we have our supermarket ready-made frozen chicken burger patties. We're going to pan fry them. We're also cooking frozen Turkish kebabs from the Americana brand for our beef McArabia sandwiches. When the meat is all cooked and the bread is all made, start assembling your sandwich the way that you like. We've put in our homemade Thousand Island dressing, our chicken patties, and topped them off with a nice slice of cheddar cheese, processed cheddar cheese, but it's all good, and some Boston lettuce with slices of juicy tomatoes. Please note that this dough recipe makes 7 to 9 pieces of bread, so make enough chicken and or beef to fill them with. As a person who likes to eat leftovers, I can tell you this: they reheat really well and they still taste good the next day. If you made it this far into the video and you ended up liking it, please consider giving us a like and subscribe. We would really appreciate it. It really encourages us to make more videos and help feed you better, or help teach you how to feed yourself better is what I should say. Anyway, thanks for making it this far and have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!